Nowadays, everything has become online, from buying things to hiring bikes. Now, to develop those type of apps or websites, you need coding skills. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to get started to code. So, let's grab our intro and let's start it to the video. Hi guys, this is Sheshasai from Intech English. I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon for more interesting updates. If you did that, so let's get started. Now, to get started to code, you need to know which programming language to choose. By the way, if you are watching my videos for the first time, this channel is related to technological topics like unboxing, reviews, apps, websites, and programming. If you are interested in any of these topics, then subscribe to our channel and check out our previous videos on programming. Links are in the description below. Go check it out. Coming to the point, which programming language to choose? If you are a beginner and never coded before, then you must choose Python, because there are 5 points. Let me explain that. First one, it is easiest language to learn. Typically involves less code and syntax is easier to read, and you can build amazing apps and websites which is good looking and amazing, and good trend and high salaries as of today. So these are some reasons to choose Python as a programming language. If you are not a beginner and coded before, then this video is not for you. So go and check out some tutorials in Python or any other language that you need to know. Installing and running Python is very easy. First, let's talk about what you need to learn Python. Computer, Python, ideally, and of course patience to learn. So if you have computer, then you need to install Python on your PC. So you need to go for the Python website, and I will be leaving the link in the description below, and you need to choose the version, and next you need to click on the download button. After installing Python, you need to install IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. As the name itself suggests, that it is designed to create an environment to code. It is not that you can only run Python on these IDEs, but you can use Notepad, WordPad, or even the built-in IDE from Python to run Python code. But it is necessary to use IDEs, especially for beginners, because it is easy to use and run code easily. There are 3 main types of environments: text editors, IDEs, notebook environments. Text editors are mostly used by advanced people and developers. IDEs are used by advanced people as well as developers, but also easy to use for beginners with more customizations. Notebook environments are specially designed for beginners. I suggest you to go with IDE because it can be used for beginners as well as pros if you get advanced by learning. If you want to use text editors, then install Sublime Text Editor or Atom. If you want to use IDE, then install PyCharm or Spyder. If you want to use notebook, then install Jupyter Notebook. Then I will be leaving in the comment section. I will be leaving the links of this download in the description below. Go and check it out and install, and come after this. Now, setting up Python and environments are easy. If you struck there, then search for them on YouTube or Google. These are what you need to get started to code. Let me show you and explain a program using Python. Print hello world. Print function is used to print what is inside of those parentheses. By the way, if you are thinking what the heck is this parentheses, then parentheses are another name for brackets, that is braces, you can also say. Hello world is a string. String is just a plain text. The text which is inside quotation marks are strings. Now when we combine the print statement and the string, the output is hello world. Now, to show the powerfulness of Python, let me show you some of the images created using Python turtle graphics. Now that brings to this end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video or learned something new, then subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon to never miss any of our new videos whenever uploaded. Share this video to your friends and families and comment in the comment section below if you have any doubt. Thank you once again guys. Keep supporting me. Thank you.